Again, also YouTube, I don't understand. That's what I told him. But I can't just be able to be able to
Ara busiama mu nyina akwaba enfamra Bones Man TV. Within the Bones Man, make sure say na your first time ahwe video so na wa subscribe na wa share na nua bi anya bi ahwe. Be nansani ana nakrani na ami say video be ba abonten. Na video na efa yem papa Ibrahim Kwarteng won na kwanchefo panyi eda Crime Check Foundation ano. Me papa yi na adwuma wo ye ni say wana sabi wakudi afiase in a wrong way bi wa ha na ye ne marketing bi bu a hotre kom ne ade na de omakopi honom na ye papa yi agege emmoa na ode ayi ni binom omo afri honom si no wotimi hwe a wayi ni pa bebre afri prison but the video bi ba bontin ya na one prisoner ba ko interview ma prisoner no echemu se wakoda John Painstil Ghana footballer former footballer and a Ghana legend John Painstil fie na emi say wachi no na eko tumu say wana fie ho kwampaso because fie na uncompleted building na ensemi ba yi na John Painstil so sebi wase my legacy ama building no obi entimi mfa da bibikitu bia na one day pe MS my legacy enti John Painstil ene Kofi TV atwetwe nkomo ama ono so odina no disem ato edwa na emomu no ansa na yebekwa kotie no mo mehwe ensem a Ibrahim Kwarteng ene prisoner no atwetwe ye
64 years wo fiase eden na do be pie ha se
but e ko da ori fie na o me pie mo
ukoda obi fie ena waba prison asase ma wokan de papa ento asom
ene kwase no se kwan e fast koda wona ya fa kwan paso
wan fa kwan wa ogitum se wan fa kwan paso wan fie na koda
football
John Painstil on the case be da fie ho
bacho de enti me se ya fa kwan paso
okay enti mukodu ni fie ho na ye den
ya kwen no obi starting doors na wo no mebie no see em fa di mi san question say why you so ne ma me some trouble bi into on person my mom say wa be fear dem abeda nti mi fa ho na ile yen ko
sliding door mentiase ade mentiase mo fa ba bi foforo ma mfa ba bi a ne ma me na wo ka no obehu mo ba bi a mo fa ye no ne ye miye pono no
e window
empoma
window
ana mo foro ye
ni ye film ye ko inside ko dai
abusiam mo akwa biem nsem wi na ye Ibrahim Kwarteng ya wo ye Crime Check Foundation kwanchafo panyi ne ye papa prisoner no atwe nkomo prisoner che mu se wanda wa manko da fie ho kwampaso so atase ti Kofi TV enai wane John Painstil so atwe nkomo ama John Painstil chire mu a video no ba out emisi over the weekends ama wo frɛ Ibrahim Kwarteng se ni caption wo de maye no enye caption na nam kwampaso na emu betima kasesa caption no ma me free Saturday no me say Friday mpo Saturday still na caption na ansesa ama other blogs enso afa posti John Painstil ache obi akoda John Painstil fie ama na John Painstil so be chire mu say onim saade no ho hwe ami say caretaker na wo hwe fie honom no na eteki saade decision no but fie na akoye so obi anim say John Painstil no no enti na bia omotag ni mum onim ho hwe enti ensem wi na John Painstil enso so editudwa
you see the yan say me wo ho last Saturday ye came ya na obi sending link the mama
okay
the link in the by me share headline on me is former Black Stars player John Painstil radio 64-year-old man. So me say na so e be say sa agro na ye omudina bi na
yeah
but the nipa no send ma me no respectable person you know it is actually me be link no
okay
you be na mo say video bi koso nipa no kasa say the dey ba prison ye obeda me tie na ye ni koto mu
okay
we koso tie video na tie mu nsem na me hu say besianse ho na o ka no besianse ye baby me fi
okay
sebi o me fi fie o ho na me papa me papa ho na o da ya sana or nyame die.
Okay.
The soul, but the soul continue to rest in peace. It's something so. Nti me tie na me say how na bibi me so menti bibia say bibia ekoso me fie no ana say ntokwa bi ana say obi ye problem bi e call police ana court.
Yeah.
You know what is happening. The theory na me frɛ madam for ona me mani see fie no me na en collaborate na ye friends up to now.
Okay.
Me wo Europe me bobo no ona me mani see fie no ma me papa.
Okay.
So no na hwe fie no so up to now. Nti me frɛ no say ya me sa de na ekoso na bibi say na mahu. No so yeah. One can't tell me because officer was setting example. Na me hu say ya complain or the man na ye no correct.
Okay.
The amount for gabe wia enyama wo fie ho ebubu windows, epa windows ewuram, e break doors.
Kofi Radio.
Na service ka facho mo fan cheme ejanan ye beja ejanan nyina wo sink edwale mu enyina no mo ja ho no mo kɔ. Na wa mama my change doors couple of times. Ya me catch and say nya no correct. Say amount for be break we na bi ono na oji mi sika edi. Enti no one can't tell me say the oil no so ye we na me hu and na me bi tan say na sad ye no so no I say e be say 1 month 2 months ago na say me see no say I no kra no e court no o fie na mo friend say police for no the omo court na police in find nipa to more than 6 days into once omo ka chom say nyama no mo file matches nya de no mo file mo famra na mo so mo famba no e hon na ma police so the omo court
Kofi TV.
And nti me nim ehwo hwe for bi nkotum se obi abeda me fie nti ese me ni nkotum na wo si fie no obi beda me kura se yirama nti ayema sefem kakra.
Okay.
Nti bi ni wie ya pe na me frɛ me find a number of crime check foundation nipa na run you know your interview no.
Okay, Ibrahim.
I can't tell you say I didn't know the ato no. If I tell you through no
Kofi Radio.
The diligent answer na where you should start caption me no because me for be anko prison into be antu into okowa na to kunya right source na I think so for be sure go say when proper news ana say or can asempa e dey Ghana for na Ghana for etie.
Okay.
Na then over the day kura no o mention say abranti oboboy e fe no Emmanuel Boatin onu na Mexico say mo fan konko yi nipa no nti no say caption kura beba e onu Emmanuel na odi ni din be caption say
Kofi TV.
waye ade a e pa akoma so say wetimi aye adwuma yi study amawo say fa ko yi obi fi prison no waye ade nti ona say obo na baso wo headline na amount for obo na baso nti onyin free ho non kwen intelligent in we answer na me ne kasa no so ma kasa ye pa na ente e futu na me dia ma no no ye se ne be ya mislead enkrofo na man form adwen ko ko caption obi o ha ye wo man bi a caption na ye di judge nipa
yeah
nti na as using John Painstil jail obi a o 64 years no ha dwen and the day na boni kwa nipa na ya me di ne be court and me so no my busy I may bomb me lega me pray say me me qualify to next stage me need time kra na mako and court he fa the say ton na ma dey answer ba ba ye juma nti na say asem no ni nyina mu nkyere no nti enye me na me di nipa no call but ya dey am ye ho me blame caretaker no so it got to a point say caretaker na ka take the decision.
Okay.
Na o man ko dey di say enye
Kofi Radio.
Na mo ya dey happen wo.
Okay. Na just ya che no you na wonnim ho hwe a ye ne kwatum nyina no wonnim ho hwe a 60 akokora no.
I think so. I say almost 5 days pepe no almost jelly 5 days and tempo.
Okay. O ma mo amane kra.
That me aware of it. And always finish me say no person will catch me because of person no aye na me who say some na you catch me no correct.
Oh, okay. Now just facts na wo me say yes fie ne ye ofie but nya wo na wo ma ye che wo mo atum. Yes sir.
my
Dabi. And you know my
TV.
Okay. And say caption no and our problem. So on say caption no and I say the story in totality.
Oh, that story the obeti me in a story because ono no akọ tie nipa nenu asem e na oka. Na nipa o ma osika odiko yi no o na say di mba caption so any juma pa wadi na ubo na baso. Nti de ma e ha me kaka say adena when you shoot say nipa ni di no you shoot John Painstil. Nti I can't send bebre kire me say ada say o you shoot me di no for more viewers. And I say, oh, you should be doing just to tarnish my image. And at the end of the day, they be able bread to know, you want they look up to us. In Tiwood, you might be sabbath to a man for no more kind different. Oh, ha, a colano, that is you, yeah, or shame a boblano, oh, hano. Me also me or family bush and for ya come after my bush and for ya. So you are hurting a lot of people.
Kofi Radio.
Yes, you'll be a new thing in a town. But to be out of four.
Yeah.
Is it my dog for now or hurt you or not hurting myself or no? I don't get it.
TV.
And at the end of the day, my friend Saturday, they are meaning I called you. My family parents cost me quack ye video namako kasa. But I have to respect your page, you know. I mean, where say the air cost na no correct. It immediately free name of the do call prison one of Patu. I bet you.
Oh, okay. Before I mean before we are no na me hwe se metumi enya na but earlier no na me dey kind friend na me hwe se nka bia metumi enya mami no kra but me nya no sese no kire se wa friend na threaten no se uhia na obebo no one on one obebo no ne ade no kra be na ewom
na obi so obebo no mbo awabo
Kofi Radio.
Obi so obebo no mbo wa se ombo. I was telling him, say, only at the end of FFU, and I say, Noa. So I say, Akasakasa.
Okay.
Oh, no, only. And I'm saying, who you are, then I will look for you. Now, my report, now I do from Rapaso. Then I'm a catcher. And I make a say, he knows what he's doing. Because at the way, any idea, as I say, oh, my money, baby, issue.
And he goes ahead, the bio sanction will say, you went too far. Even you can say, Achukra wu you know, a prisoners no you mono and a boy should be a amateur. How true is that?
Kofi Radio.
And I think say I'm funny say or he has something against me. But he need to tell me that the media in here or person yes I told him say
yeah.
Only innocent people now or do musika ekotia enyama embwa because onye diligent. Because I think a man will say or Jessica na either say or building the YouTube for some reason. At the end of YouTube or I don't understand. That's what I told him. But I can't just be able to be able
to
no say o say sa no ya ma twudi ni sika ko yi prisoners ayebo atwudi atwuwe. Oh, okay. Okay. Because this issue, I think it's a very simple issue. If it's about caption, caption, Emma, say, oh, caption, we may it happens. I don't think it should.
What's the upper caption? Just remove it. I also remove it. You are using my name to just a different thing that we use me for. And on I am a program, I better tell me the wow.
Okay.
At the end of the day, me judge, and I'm a Diobiaka for tomorrow. And my explanation say, I didn't see the crowd, me aware of it. So take it out. Neko, me crama catch a second, then me nipana on no corner more information from him. Nesha say, nipana will be where the right person. And secondly, there were two, any a chair or more. In the two near chair, on what you mean, Bakuna interview Bakuna Jabaku. What are you saying?
Kofi Radio.
You know, I had to say to him, he can celebrate channel. Emma, on no crap, I'm a child. I catch him, so okay, he will do it. Wow, and in Monday, Saturday, Sunday 1 year, Monday and 1 year. Now, my flower, at least, me any permission to come about also. Now, I know who I am at the end of my car. What's our swap is our no, Mr. Say, baby, I'll be Kubiano, oh the beko over chromo na man for abo mi din boni. That's what he told me.
Wow.
But the reputation that I built, no, the Mayama Ghana, no one year half of Krama Ghana.
Kofi
So I did
Radio.
be the yawa, and yes, we are public figure until you can't talk outside. It's wrong. Oh, catch them say, Ubet Muna, a man for Ehu. A man for Ehu. Now I don't know the day, no. If you are not in the no, the police question, they didn't go to prison. And I'm telling you, say, I'm not the one. I'm a call for no, man, you're the one because your statement. My name is not there.
Kofi TV.
So why do you start caption? And then my mind now be a framing. They were worried.
Kofi
You know what you're doing to my family? Because of selfish interest. Huh? You don't do things like that.
Okay. And
Yeah, public figures. Not say you'll be a own man more you would yeah. And no just say any power.
yeah.
Obia sola no the anymore here from
Kofi TV.
I'm trying to be quiet, but if I find out legal action can take this man, I'll do it. Yes. I'm somebody I don't like to hurt people, but the way he's going,
Radio.
like as if he has something against me, and I don't know him from anywhere. Me she and 101 put that.
Anyway, Johnny, I better say, release in a nam so my yes, you find out what exactly is happening. And unchemo adia bano, and I say, unnim papa na ya chen no crowd, baby. Yes, if you know a fear, but as to say, you didn't call him, no, unni hand a woman, and so you feel, say, within a diaka caption, hono, a problem at the mouth. If I understand you, and it's some reason, no, yes, sir.
If you come, no, Cassie, my try to make friend, make caretaker, no.
Okay.
I think because we have a farm mattress, I mean, tell the Nipalo go to prison because of mattress. Are they?
Kofi
And when
TV.
here, it's in Macan say, if anyway, Ubitimaya, I call, say, men are being by won't pay you into your money through on independent and you're free. If he can do that, you should do it. I've told him to do their own two and a mono.
Okay.
Well, near mattress in audio, we are going to prison.
Kofi Radio.
We are coming from somewhere. And yes, you're starting a bit to be a do. And for why and cry to music and my Yanni did that. Yeah, you do, baby, be crying, you won't
Kofi
down.
TV.
The air so we are seeing Nano, Kofi, you better walk. In truth, we are seeing Nigeria, as I said, me should be safe and honor. If you are, when you come on YouTube, and I said, be put in Mumasi. And they wouldn't even feel baby. There's a public figure, you know, who didn't even buy their a short amount. But the open source says, what you know, Chess Candy will be an image to the caption. Unya, do it. That's what he was trying to tell the public.
Kofi TV.
You don't do that.
I was young one cover beam and same way and I jump Painstil and so dear to Jana jump Painstil so I can't next side of the story because and say who dear seminar say one who could see back one masama one way and why a mistake. Inti yegina yakwe hon judges inti fanuna semno ni nyina mu no ya papa akoda prison no footballer baako atua yesa aka no ama sabi wapie afri prison honom inti abusia uhwe both side ya abiso bia kan side of the story interview any asema John Painstil enso so di tudwa na kyese akwakoye ayi Kofi TV esanso ne Ibrahim Kwarteng atwetwe nkomo ema nsɛmwe na Ibrahim Kwarteng enso editujwa
me da wasi dey kan na beef no dey am say unim juma me yo Ghana sano man I'm not the type of person who can you know Crime Check Foundation juma yenye side but it's a respected platform na the teacher say you know juma in this country civil society juma say because of complemented government efforts in nation building. We don't have a non-custodial law in this country. And we continue to do it. And only a Jumani and a year when the baby for Christmas. Secondly, petty offenders, petty offenders, I want born in your bonnie be a be a could ram pumum, said the Yatibi, will be a courage on Painstil, a tree, abandoned house, Aquacoda. Of course, it was wrong, we know.
So all these are petty offenders. Basa court no at the fine at 2 so. So the one sign quiet the only NPM. It's a crime check over the years. It's sign say prisons and I am Ghana Prison Service. And yet easy because budgetary allocation to the prison service is far. We are complementing the efforts of the service. So the prisons and any people. Now, some people are my opponent. Yamom a second chance in life into the heart. Your ex-convict reintegration project. You launch na you know Christian was baby. You are you too we don't condone crime. It will be videos in me push them to the wall. Mr. Ibrahim to Bomaomo. It's not just about releasing them into society, but making sure that they don't repeat the mistakes they have made. That is just a background. What we usually do is say, you could presence, you have my fines and they don't also. You so almost share actual vision, they share it. Into Naja, you qua, near could share almost fines. Fines and your crime check is a qua buy a home. Na eja. Ya interview omo peer free prison no ya interview omo ya bisa omo de omo ye na ababi omo ayafa na society go ho put prison ego a we tie bi na ode atu no ho in a way no we also try to deter crime.
Okay,
So they are one who said the prison has empty one bet this what we've been doing over the years. Now me ko prison papa dia ye koyi obia ne ade o ye nti e de ko to mo no e wo discharge warrant na so say be are stealing, say be are dishonestly receiving, they be are fighting yen aye koyi no ye nim ni pakro
Kofi Radio.
so we go in there upia ya interview no until I came across a 64-year-old man ya you know ano ka de no nim see you know and ye pay by because I know we want the element of surprise.
Okay.
He didn't even know what was happening. And I interviewed him. Me interview na say papa 64 years that day na we e do ba fiase. And also obeshi bi di wa adwuma ko. Na dey sign unya ba bi na. And obi kire na said there is an abandoned house. It okay ni atutu gate ni nipa na bi dey no na mpuma ne dey na ye ntutu mu. Ntu wa mu mpuma no. And I ofa hokodaye. And I'll send you the video. We have video now. I mean, my papa knew say, "Why ye? Siambra." And so I said, "Why she?" Or say John Painstil. And I'm saying John Painstil or Bobo Amagana pen or say I. So I shifted the attention from John Painstil because I John Painstil. I said, and I but Bonia, a papa no way no. And not gonna be the society. You shouldn't be free. Me who say. But prison, I mean, you can't when you into me from prison.
Kofi
So we are there. It's ya emra. It's a punish show. It's me nene kasa me tune for me dinya me some tune for ye. And I'm a man apologize. Said, oh yeah, the one ye. He even admitted. So I ye. And the papa you call the baby. And I'm a catcher and say, Juma also near Juma no near. Crime check your one. As we do under our ex-convict reintegration project. No, when you be many of these young men and women are almost idea or law requirement. Crime check under our ex-convict reintegration. Any abwa through your Christian nature. Most of these people who could have gone back to the prisons are working now.
Kofi
Now, you
Radio.
condemn prison
Kofi TV.
and at the end of as a country. Secondly, say Obi, you Obi Kotum. And that judge in a court to her. Or catch any say, may the fine at all so who try find way their own prisoner. It means the person is not a hardened criminal.
Okay.
The person is a petty offender. Oka brucha, petty offenders. Your mom ye be the community service. Ghana, you need non-custodial loans. It's high in Biniha. Wayne Rooney, my former Manchester United player, and other big people, my community service pay. The Ghana, because we don't have that law. Be prison, everything.
Live as it happens.
Now, as I'm no, and twice when I say,
Kofi
Saturday, no one in
TV.
your call.
Okay.
In Timpano friend or say, this is John Painstil. And I'm, oh, bro, it is saying, well, the first time I'm in our custody now, TV is going to be who with that. And, you know, the usual pleasantries, no, so a crime check, and I'm more yet. And yet, I didn't know, would be a baby born, and you didn't go to Namako, you know. I thought that he spoke out of ignorance. because said the nipa near the fine. So that is 1, 2.
No, okay, say adan na obi aye bone na
ye dey na kotum. Na ono I dey na kotum.
Okay, ono dey na kotum.
He didn't deny.
Okay.
He did not deny saying on na dey too.
Okay.
He did not. Na nka dey ntin obey consent. That ntin na dey bebree no. And secondly, papa no me ne ka me dey say why fie na wo kodai. Also ora John Painstil. Is John Painstil saying say onim so bi akoda ne fie me dey na kotum ana.
According to him, komo ene ni di en che kransa na ye ne odi. O chere say onim say ye dey obi kra akotum ewo ne din mu na.
Me pese me ka say odi ntro to dey enta no. So let's continue. Me say he wasn't happy. And I'm so fine. If you are not happy, any problem. You can use the same platform. I'm saying I will share a video. No? And I'm saying I will name me a PR man because I over condemned this man. Because you don't go to a house through the back door. And yet it is criminal. You be a normal sensational stories. Rebecca said, oh, John Painstil and I done 64 years. That was not my concern. Okay. My concern was on the crime committed and what society can learn from Adia Papanayan. The fact say, when it comes to the law, it is not about age. If you break the law, you have a problem with the law. It's simple as that. And that is what we have been doing. And you know, and I'm catching the fine. Opa, obviously you see the same platform. That is my platform. Mm-hmm. Now I air any grievances on Monday because it was a weekend. Then okay. You. And so I think we ended on a cool. Monday, no, I was on a call and I offered me. Into a frame and I'm saying, well, with the telepathy, maybe throw and I was wired in. What frame me? It's interesting. I was ready. Say, you're very good. Not the person waka. Because maybe I was happy, say, I've done a good thing. Because on I don't pay so much as a crime take a juma more than a year. Name mum, a do baby, any penny do her. The almost ayen, some of me punish woman. Because, yeah, and I agree with him. Na sana Christiana Chu. As some can hear me, yeah. Christiana Chu. We free prisoner. Yeah, case I kept quiet.
No, or say Christiana Chu. Nipa o you mono. It became a curse on Christiana Chu.
Absolutely. Osha made him try. Am I the type of person? When you've known me for so many years.
Yeah.
Am I the type of person I made him try to be so
I doubt though.
On that. That is what this gentleman said. I didn't say anything because I thought that it was below the belt. And I will be respecting a lot. It's okay, can I say I'm so well? Either stark ignorance. And then you will become very responsible. So I say, into Jamaica, Kasa, so we will be Kasa. That has been the traditional perception. You know, I just didn't want to inflame anything, so I just kept quiet. It's Monday, no framing. And I was war crime check my mom up to Monday. And I went, anyhow. I was shocked. I thought, this man, I'm saying, my man respected it. And somehow, okay, can you know, until I thought of explaining further the concept of petty offenders. The reason why I judge for the fines at almost so. It is a second chance, your friends, are mitigating a
explanation. Or they my surprise, Kakra, because according to him, he didn't have a problem with the story in totality. Problem and all war a caption. So it's strange to say.
Okay, let me ask you.
Okay.
Caption or
that is what he stated. But I may check
okay,
it.
So let me let me challenge you.
Okay.
Go back and look at the caption whether it has John Painstil.
Coffee TV.
Why other than microphone can in this country? I mean, and Trobi her or your penny. Well, I don't know so when you change it there, but or you're respected in Trosano, and then I'll be free. Okay, into or catch me say. Anything commodity moano. And I'll say, or be bromi, who share me one on one. And I'm
also share or be
bromi, who be share me one on one. And you share me, who be share me one on one. Or be bromi. Nah, me a foolish man. And then he brought back the issue of Achu. Sani ya Achu, a case better. And when you respect people and they sink so low in this age and time, it be beside say, "I'm be I'm saying kind of beside say, into any animal lose all my life in Turkey, thousands and thousands of people. I'm going to be prison and I born the cool. And I said, the father, Yamin fan the currency. We see if any man will free on the bonnet in the cool. You know, some of these things are philosophically, you know, I could argue with him. Me who said, the knowledge about certain things and your suspect, because any part where we are, the world is still grieving out of shock. Now, who be one? I can say, a bonnet. Na Bible na e ka kire say yanko prison ni yanko boa yenuanom o mo pray iti wana nke be kasa ma yenuanom wa we bi di bone ni edo makotum petty offenders ebi ko hokra na wo ma ndi bone no enti no what is our function as the fourth estate? We are journalists. Some of these infractions of the law ye di pie na e betima bo ani pa won te sai na through legal redress. Yeah. Yen kwakun tokwa o prison fi you be afri ho but ye fa emra kwa so sana emran etie eti John Painstil no
Kofi TV
crime check be responded to the release no the ban the release no
okay
enye no kre na me expectation can release no or the be shim so ka so be bo me
that was before I maybe friend no na my say I want to understand kakra which say or threaten I put that to him no say so ka so bebo no obi ka so bebo no or more say any
no I mean say as I seminar or kind how did you see is it pure ignorance? So if he is talking ignorantly ignorance of the law it's not an excuse. I'm also going to make sure say I seek legal redress. There are certain people who are arrogated to themselves certain powers, as if say in this country, as if say they control this country. Ghana is a country of law. Na yasemra nya adwuma bi no ka, unya asem ha na abehu semra wo ho. So enti no so bi ka kyerɛw ne stature a ugina ha wo ka kyerɛ wo say obi ka so bepo ɛna sɛ onyam wo a ɛyɛ threat no. You should categorize him. You should know his mental frame. You should know say, whether such a person or an idol that people should follow. Because I'm lodging a formal complaint with the Ghana police. You see, some of these people, all can they say, we should not relegate it to the background. He may not come personally to beat me or best someone. And now Namabun says, will be in your accident. No. It is a Ghana Mraya Juma. This is going to be the test case. Na any pebia almost so musikabi o menyentino. As I see a look down everybody. We are journalists. Yes, me bro. People are beating journalists. I don't know what the Ghana Journalists Association is going to say about this, but it is high time they stamped their feet. Watchdog rule. As I saw naming and shaming regime. I think it is not enough.
All right.
All of us have to be proactive because I'm not going to take this matter lightly. I've already informed the family of Christian Achu.
Kofi TV.
Oh, has it gotten that far?
People should not talk senselessly.
Kofi
your ethics. Obi ayetinifi. Obi lusu loved one. You should commiserate with the person. You don't deepen the woes of the person by alluding to something a bema pain of any heart. He spoke like a child. He spoke like Obia Onya mature. And I tell you, this has gone to pose the thinking of shallow minds. Views be everywhere in society. So they say anything and get away with it.
Kofi TV.
Don't Painstil asama okay. Fine, obet me dia chubu abusu afo atep. Obet me di matem say me a foolish man. I know that is not an issue.
Kofi Radio.
But for him to say obebo men. I'm going to make sure that the law deals with him. The law deals with him. He's a disgrace to society. I don't want to go back, but then I have lots of respect for him. But at a point in time, so it is not surprising. Also, Obebomi. But maybe the end of the day, and wife, and I'm not going to allow him to go scot-free.
Well, Matawe, it's a bit. Until Friday, we'll respond officially to the press release.
Absolutely. We are bringing civil society together, human rights groups together. We are bringing well-meaning Ghanaians together. We are bringing ex-convicts together.
Hey.
Because we are bringing, your friend is a luminaries, legal luminaries together. And they say we are educating Kakra. And many people who hold the same views as me.
Ne concern is nipa o ma usika no ma okoko yi no no na esenka o de ni din no ye caption
he does not determine. Listen to me.
Yeah.
Or being determined the caption that someone should use. We are talking about two protagonists here.
Kofi Radio.
In here.
Yeah.
Nipana or the Nekotu, the plaintiff. And then Nipana and Kasana, or accused person, I didn't Kotu. These are the two protagonists.
Yeah.
Now, say Nipana or Kan say John Painstil feel no could die. Bonnie Ben John Painstil. Me man who Matano say John Painstil like Bonnie.
Yeah. Even wait, Nkoma any di, you know, a strange say in one in common or jitum because he made us understand say he didn't even know say yache woman na issue ba ye no na obisa caretaker and the caretaker no state say oh na a short police if want to keep will be within some time binti
I don't have to go there. On Adibu ha.
Yeah.
Go further, go independent mass. It exposes him further. It is between him and the Lord he worships. Now, time na oppressor or casa or crime check. My man, that opportunity. I can screenshot all the messages I sent him. My friend, one fact.
Kofi TV.
Because I said that they are a teacher about the one son.
But I was saying, well, mommy info be a chess, lady being so contacted, while lady no, and ye che, the well yini, and or no, the two people, and yet ye do mokokotum. Until the other person no family contacte or no John Painstil no say adena wa me jai we name or no dey no dey nya no nti o ma lady no frail.
Let's do a little bit of education.
Okay.
And no na yen journalist we say ye more. Listen. Say Yako prison. Let any pabi will be fine 1,002. If you don't allow this carbon, they make sure at least you better pick why you didn't make sure don't do an.
No, I understand your work perfectly. I'm only letting you know.
Neighbor. And you know, the case partner become one. Maybe the name. Ye nipa. Me are caution to be of good behavior. Ye nye court. We are not a court. Any ya could be assembly a dear we a boy nipa for. Our role as the fourth estate of the realm. And yes, sensationalism. It's not part. Sensationalism is not part. As I say, you educated the public. Papa no ajia to say why you born into your caution. You tune for. My caution Ghana for. Mr. Shep Papa 8. You never prisoner. Into wow, so no. You could also come here. Some Painstil should have taken advantage of this as an opportunity. So what I say, like I said, crime check. My yard, name if you have papa no dear, I think to be our dem kakani after. So what I say, it is not my duty. So I say, we could look for a case partner because I am not a court. I am only there in an advisory capacity. Say me you be me 24. So if you are more on your bonny game. John Painstil cannot tell me say me can bring two people together. Na me do myself because my contact John Painstil like bonny. And I mean, what issues with the ruling, and I mean, what issues with John Painstil, that is different.
No, that is what he makes us understand. Say he feels a personal problem with him, and so.
Minimum impo. Mama can't John Painstil, TV super number. Physically, one-on-one, crime.
Okay. Actually, you na say no one who know about hobby.
Okay.
Okay.
Derek Watson said that was the first time I met him physically. And even Suleiman Tari, that was the first time I met him. Because you're TV, so you don't meet some of these people. Maybe I'm a sports journalist. It's not about sports.
Yeah.
So I say, it will cast him in no personal problem. I think that he's been dishonest. It goes to even show and old. and you should know it. Into many of us from no frame and hey boss, whether this is the first time I know Kasao, I was even happy speaking to a celebrity, now in quote celebrity.
Kofi Radio.
I was happy. And in some of the kind I stomached it. Because my phone sent a boy for I should let him talk. Now what is he talking about? Once again, it boils down to the fact that journalists are not respected. So I said, information who may have hand in bowl begging journalists. But we should not allow that in this country. We should face some of these people legally. We should let them understand, say, our country is a country of laws. It doesn't matter your reputation. But the moment a big road trim say, oh, we are Black Star player. Black Star players, no behave. They are decent people. Inside the internet, will be one free. Now, I don't even want to go there. If you say we will seek legal redress. I have to protect myself. I have to protect my family. Now, be our cousin, bonus now or prepare to beat you. That is the interpretation. And the laws are clear. And I'm happy so you two so cast over.
I was here mumina akwaba. Nti yamaba Ibrahim Kwarteng so ensem wi na ode etuja. Nti na chese amano akwakoye bibi amese John Painstil so free Saturday ochi unza okasa na ochire mu se free Saturday e ba nyina no wochire mu wo friend na se ka won sa caption ne keke nso so no na won sa nti ne se wo friend ete no won se wo bi obehia ne bi obona yakoma ene course nti no obusia no bi a che na sa do the story na ye besre ye empaifu meni se amonfa ye ye ntu ye so atase ba bia nko ye no obi anye ne fon so ntu no mpacho na ye ntina Ghana asundiem dada because ne team dada no enye easy but you dey na AC ahanom abusia mesro so first time ni a obe subscribe to your YouTube channel aye Bonesman TV mesro so be like obe share na wa follow yen wo advert bi wo ye dwumade bi na opese we bohu dwa na ise bohu de ready mawa obetimi afre aye numbers ya agree pages no so no na eno nso so no won yen atwetwen enkomo be dwumade ni nyina AC ahanom se panin put forma ye mama swate video ahwe ye the credit ema ye Kofi TV makra mu nyina bye bye.